Hey everyone! Like we promised, we are back again with a video on a short trip around Bangalore just for you guys. Today's destination is the Maralwadi Dam, which is 48 kilometers from Silk Boat. Now, this is going to be a December 2020 welcome ride, an official ride from our Bengaluru bikers, which is the BB group. You guys must be wondering, right? What's this welcome ride about? Well, it's nothing but a short trip arranged to welcome all the new members joining the BB community. So, this is going to be a collaboration of new and the existing members of BB, their riding patterns, and how that works out in a group ride. Almost 30 of us grouped up at the meeting point, which is Chandapura this time. We have all started to the destination after a short briefing session. There are two ways to reach the Maralwadi Dam from Bangalore. A, via Anekal, which is what we have chosen today, and B is the Khanakpura road, which is under repair. This journey made us cross many small villages, which made us to think that the morning scene in a village is so different from that in a city. The atmosphere is calm and peaceful, pure and fresh air, no noise, just the birds chirping sound. On a happy note that these places get us to experience all of these, we kept going. Few folks are waiting for us at the destination already, so we all gathered around to reach the dam, which is few steps away from here. And guys, know what? This is also the first official ride with our KTM RC 390, our baby rocket. There is no special parking, but we have enough place to park all our bikes without causing any disturbance to the public. Ta-da! We have reached our stop, the Maralwadi Dam. The place is too cold and breezy. Maybe because we reached before the break of the dawn. Okay, about this place, consider this place amongst the quick destinations from the city, or a quick meetup, or a breakfast ride. We could not resist ourselves from talking a bit about this extraordinary human. He is an ideal example for the fact that when we are passionate about biking, then the bike we own is not going to bring any difference. We can still be equally passionate. This is his Hero Honda CD100 and probably a 30-year-old bike. Ladakh might be a dream of every biker, but doing a Ladakh trip from Bangalore on this bike shows his dedication towards biking and adventure. Happy that we get to go biking with such people. Coming back to this place, that small bridge you guys see there, not sure what its technical function is, but for us, it provided a perfect view covering the water reservoir, the mountains, the greenery, and a place for some photo shoot. Such serene places help you bond with other people. There is no distraction whatsoever. This calmness of nature helps us to get that instant rejuvenation. After enjoying the nature for a while, it's now time for the introduction session. The time we spend in knowing each other, the kind of bikes we ride, our interest and passion, and some tips on group riding and safety gears. However, it's not as boring as it sounds, but more of a fun-filled session. Now he is John, the founder of Bengaluru Bikers and running this show successfully for more than a decade. He plans for any trip with remarkable accuracy and breaks down the tasks of the trip into simplification, which makes everybody else's life easy. If you guys are looking for a group ride, then you can check out the BB forum. We will link it for you in the description box. It's time for a groupie. 1, 2, 3 and click. Ta-da! Happy faces! One delicious information is on its way now. That blue tent thing you guys see there? People were selling fresh fish and they were getting the supply on the spot from the people on the boat who were fishing. So don't forget to get a bag if you guys love eating fish. Please do visit this place to enjoy its real beauty. The Maralwadi Dam proved to be a great host for today. With that note, it's time for a goodbye to you and this beautiful place. Hope you all enjoyed this video. See you all again on another trip with much more adventure.